Hi, there's often this question in our minds, which is, should we just stick to the reading of a passage while answering questions, or can we use our background information as well? The answer to this question is simple. Yes, you're preparing for bureaucracy. You're preparing for an exam that wants you to be well informed, well read, and aware of what's happening and what's the common discourse and what's an educated discourse or way of looking at policies, programs. There is one passage on the screen that gives us a direct evidence of why we just cannot stick to our information in the passage. Here's the passage based on agroeconomy. If you break the word, you get agroecology. If you break this word, you get agroecology, agriculture and ecology. Agroecosystems. What should they ideally do? Mimic, imitate biodiversity levels, functioning of natural ecosystems. So broadly, they should not be about anything artificial. They should be about something natural. Natural practices, conventional practices of agriculture. Now, when you train your eyes to read quickly, you get this ability to understand if there are options carrying just one word, we may as well read them. Just as soon as we read the first line of that passage, we may read one word options. However, if the options carry many words, we may just read the passage first. In this case, 2021 passage, there are words like fertigation, hydroponics, polyculture, vertical farming, mixed farming, cover crops. Do you find these options in the passage? If not, then you have answered the question. If you should depend on your own information based on your reading from newspapers, from NCERT books, books on environment, on agriculture, or any such relevant source for UPSC preparation, you have got the answer. Yes, you have to. If you don't, how else will you solve this kind of passage? And let us suppose you do not know about this passage. What do you do in that case? You have to leave that passage. Now, if you were to answer this passage, actually, you were to look for any option that did not mean artificial way. Which option? Cover crops. Crops that we use to avoid soil erosion, conventionally followed practice. Mixed farming, cattle rearing, farming, conventional way of farming. At least since the time farming was discovered 10,000 years ago. How many years ago was it? Polyculture, more than one crop. So these three options, 1, 4 and 5 only. Hydroponics, water is used, solution is used. Without soil, you grow crops or plants. Vertical farming, vertical building, vertical farming, artificial way of, may use hydroponics. And fertigation, fertilizer plus irrigation. So 3, 2 and 6, artificial, hence not chosen as our answer. So that was a quick video to show you that you have to be well informed, you have to be well read in order to crack this paper. This 2021 was a difficult year. We are now in 2023, but we should know the basic strategy of cracking this exam. Hope you find this useful.